Welcome to our short video on the Allen Bradley panel view and some other monitors. Our goal in this video is to try to explain to people how to save a lot of money, thousands of dollars in repair costs for your Allen Bradley and other Monitech, Zycom, and other replacement products. Our demo that we have here is basically the Allen Bradley product line. We have panel view 1400s, 1400Es, 550s, 1000s, 900s, and all the older versions that keep getting obsoleted and not replaced, and pretty soon they're getting harder and harder to replace, and people are getting forced to upgrade into heavy replacement costs. So with our first demonstration, we got I've basically taken the Allen Bradley panel view 1400, 1400E apart and broken it down into individual parts. It turns out that 85% of all failures of controllers, whether it's Rockwell or Zycom or Nematron, are failed monitors. So they have a computer, power supply, touchscreen, sometimes keypads, but when it all comes down, it's the monitor that fails. People are being forced into upgrades, even though it's just the monitor that's failed. Even though the CRTs aren't available as much anymore, if any, there's a couple companies out there that provide replacements. The big company that really focuses on it that I know of is Monitech. Monitech Industrial Display Solutions provide a lot of different LCD upgrades for the old CRT monitors. I have a simple demonstration, a simple LCD kit that's designed specifically for the panel view 1400E, and throw this all away and replace it with a nice small LCD. It doesn't affect anything else, where you have right here you have a computer, touchscreen, your front bezel, and then your monitor portion, and then you have a power supply. And this LCD here is, throw this part away, this LCD goes into place. It doesn't affect the touchscreen performance, doesn't affect the NEMA rating approvals, it doesn't affect the performance of the computer. It's simply a simple monitor designed specifically for this, where Monitech's even gone to the extent of providing the exact cable that's required, because a standard cable, if you plug a standard cable into this, a little piece of information, do not plug a standard cable into it because the whole monitor will blow up. This is a special cable that Monitech provides. And Monitech also provides other replacement parts, the smaller screens where you get the 550s and 1000s and the 900s. Parts are really hard to find. Your controller might be working fine, but you're missing a piece. A piece is broken, somebody cracks the touchscreen, the keypad wears out, the LCD gets worn out, the backlights go out. There's all these different reasons for not, where you, instead of sending it back to the original equipment manufacturer, you could send it and use a Monitech replacement part, and the cost is an eighth of what the original equipment manufacturer wants. The concept with Monitech is they try to make it as easy as possible for the installs, where they have one display. This one LCD will replace the panel view 1400E, 1400, and touchscreen, keypad, doesn't matter. This one LCD will fit in all of them. The same procedures for installing. It takes 20 minutes to install. It's actually harder to take the units apart than put it all back together. It's very easy to install, and they provide customer support. With a phone call, you can have if there's come into any problems, they'll support it. They also provide other replacement parts, but it's, as I said, 85% of the failures are the CRT. And also there's 14-inch and 15-inch CRTs in these, and it doesn't matter. Some people are still trying to repair them, some people are still trying to go to the original equipment manufacturer and spend thousands and thousands of dollars trying to keep their machines running. You don't have to. If you can't find what you want here, you can send us an email. It's very simple to do. We get hundreds of emails a week just answering people's questions. There's so many people. A lot of people don't know a lot about monitors. We do. That's what we specialize in. So send us an email. Send us any questions you have, and we'll be gladly answer it and get you a solution right away. And it won't break the bank.